girl, no pimple. Yeah, I love your swag and I love your dimple, simple.
Could you introduce yourself to us, please?
Okay, my name is Tosin Taiwo. I'm the Secretary General of the Association.
All right, that's the Secretary General of the Association. This is Tosin Taiwo. My name is Kenny. You look good. She's
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
I'd like to ask you a couple of questions. Who is NPA?
NPA, like you said, is the full is Nigerian Promoters Association, and is an organization, is a body that's been set up to promote Nigerian artists that are based in the USA, you know, to network them with the American audience.
Okay, how's it been? How have you been able to cope to put everybody together? I know people came from as far as Nigeria and all over the place for this event. So how have you been trying to get together?
Well, yeah, that's the power of social networking and the internet. You can always reach anybody with it. So,
like Facebook?
Blast Facebook, blast MySpace or something. You know,
all right.
Everywhere.
Okay, real quick one. How old is NPA?
2 years.
2 years. All right. Now, in the next 5 years, what do you see?
In the year 2015, the Nigerian entertainment industry should make such a global impact, more than what it's doing right now, and reach beyond the boundaries of, you know, just within Nigerian entertainment for the Nigerian audience, go beyond the Nigerian audience.
Thank you very much. That was Mrs. Tosin Tosinga, the General Secretary of Nigerian Promoters Association. You're still on to Afriqtalk show. Let's talk Africa. I'll be right back.
My name is Mr. O, and I was nominated tonight for Best Gospel Instrumentalist.
What instrument exactly?
Oh yeah, I play the piano, and I'm also an artist. Let me try.
Okay, what kind of music do you do?
It's mostly jazz, but I kind of infuse jazz with Afro beats.
Okay.
So
the Nigerian thing.
Yeah, the Nigerian thing. Yeah, and I must say that there's a bit of gospel in it though. Okay. But it's mostly jazz and then some Afro.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria. That's where I live.
Okay, you're in Nigeria.
But I'm based in Maryland, New Jersey.
Maryland, New Jersey. Anyway, that's where I'm from too. So we're Marylanders. We come from the DMV. Yeah. So I wish you all the best tonight.
Thank you.
Let's hope you. I mean, he's produced some songs for the likes of Tupac. He's worked with Quincy Jones. Oh my God! And the list continues. He has the biggest resume that I've seen in this industry, as far as Nigerians and diaspora is concerned. And he's no other person than Mr. Femi or Jetunde. Oh my God! It's my pleasure to have him on Afriqtalk Entertainment. Oh my God! I mean, this event wouldn't be complete if he hadn't had this award. Oh, we just couldn't leave here without giving honor to who honor is due. So being a Nigerian, we know how hard it is to be in the entertainment industry here in America, where there's language barrier, there's cultural barrier, and everything. How's it been? Have you been able to cope?
It's all about music. It doesn't matter where you're from.
You've heard it from him. Music is a universal language. As long as you're doing music, language is not a barrier. Your ethnicity is not a barrier. Your culture is not a barrier. Well, anything you hear from him, just take it like that, because that is what works. I'd just like you to leave a word for the young people that are trying to be like you, someone like me who's trying to be like
Well, for me, I think you fail when you stop trying. That's failure.
That's right.
Keep trying. Even if it doesn't work.
Just like Aliyah said, God rest her soul. Pick yourself up and try again and again and again. That's the trick right there. You've heard it from the master, the boss himself, Mr. Femi Ojetunde. It's very, very good to have you here once again, and congratulations to you.
Afriqtalk, man, they've been doing it big, and I'm behind you guys 100%.
Oh yeah, you heard it from the boss himself. He's behind Afriqtalk Entertainment. That means we're going to higher places. I'm still Kenny, and I'll be right back. Hello everybody, I'm back again. This is Afriqtalk Entertainment and it's Let's Talk Africa. My name is Kenny K and like I've been your host, I'm still your host. Always. I'm here with me, one of the winners of the award, of the NPA award. That's the Nigerian Promoters Association in Atlanta, Georgia. And he happens to be one of our people here, so one of the people holding it down in Atlanta. So I'm not going to do too much talking. I'll just let you hear from the horse's mouth himself. So congratulations, sir. It's good to have you here. So just give a brief introduction of yourself.
My name is Rockon. They call me King Rockon, of Georgia. I just won the NPA award for the best indigenous musician of the year, and I'm happy about that.
All right, this is King Rockon, the famous, the world famous Oluwaye of Atlanta, Georgia, and he just had the best indigenous artist. How do you feel?
I feel so good. I feel happy. I thank God, thank my family, thank my friends.
It is definitely hard work that has paid. How far have you come? How have you been doing it? Being an indigenous artist, knowing that this is a foreign land where they don't even speak your dialect, you know, how have you been able to like put it together and just to achieve what you have achieved so far?
Like I said, you know, you have to work hard, pray hard, and refuse to give up. Even when some people don't believe in you, you have to keep your head up and keep the ball rolling. So 15 years in the game, 5 albums, and still counting. So the new one coming out in December, produced by Yinka, so and another surprise in the album.
Oh wow,
Birthday 2011.
Oh, Birthday 2011. Watch out for Birthday 2011. Wow, 15 years in the game, 5 albums. That is a big show. You definitely deserve this award tonight. I mean, we're proud of you. Nigeria is proud of you. Keep keeping it going. I want you to say something out to the young people out there that are trying to be like Oluwaye King Rockon of Atlanta, Georgia.
Well, all you need to do is just focus. You know, like I said, you have to pray hard and give respect to whom is due, and work hard. So no matter what you do, put God first.
All right. No matter what you do, put God first. And just like you said earlier on, refusing to give up, even when people don't believe in what you are doing. That's the key right there. Once you have that, you're gonna get it.
From the king to the Afriqtalk, thank you. One love.
You heard from the king himself. Yo, this is Afriqtalk Entertainment, and it's still Let's Talk Africa. I have with me somebody who is a personal person of mine. Actually, this is Showboy, the one and only Showboy of Great Beats Record. Okay, Showboy, how's the journey been so far? What do you do? How do you do it? Just tell us a little bit about you.
I only do 2 things, IT and entertainment.
He only does 2 things, IT and entertainment. So how have you been able to combine IT and entertainment?
When I wake up in the morning, I go do IT. After that, it's everything entertainment.
After the show, it's the after party.
That's right, that's my after party.
So how's it been, you know, being a Nigerian in this environment? I mean, I know there are a lot of challenges. So how have you been able to cope with them? What are the challenges and how have you been able to cope with them?
I'm having fun. That's the first thing. You know, I love what I do. So whatever challenges are coming, I'm able to outdo them by remembering that I'm doing this to have fun. So, and I believe in myself.
All right, now, real quick, what advice would you have for people who are trying to be like you, who are trying to do the things that you do, the young people out there that are trying to like start up something and do what you're doing? Just give them 1 or 2 advice.
It's not easy coming into entertainment. So when you come to entertainment, you have to be ready. You have to be ready for obstacles. You have to be willing to take criticism. People will criticize you. People will talk about you. But you have to put God first, believe in yourself, and keep going. Afriqtalk, you better get us, man, because this is Great Beats and this is Kenny K. Remember, we're for you, you are for us. Let's work together.
Okay, it is what it is. You heard from the man himself. He's the CEO of Great Beats Record, of which I am signed under as Kenny K. You heard from him, and we're still on Afriqtalk Entertainment. This is Let's Talk Africa. We're going.
Yeah, I love your swag and I love your demo, simple. Yeah. No one can taste, cause you're the best. You made the girls feel obsessed. I'm so obsessed, just to see your face. I can go to space, girl, come on, girl. No delay, I know you can feel my pain, girl, come on, girl. guys.